My name is Dav James, and I am the composer of Tiger Bay. So the story of the show, it focuses around 5 primary characters, the first being Temba, who comes from South Africa. He's trying to set up a new life here after losing his family in the Boer War. So he's looking for a new life in Tiger Bay. There's Rowena Priddy, who works in the Morgan's department store, who's betrothed to the harbour master, Seamus O'Rourke. So they're the romance at the beginning of the show, but she goes on quite a big journey throughout the show as well. There's a Marquis of Bute, who was the richest man in the world at the time, who was very much into spiritualism, and he's trying to contact his dead lover Mary, whilst all the time there's a young little boy called Yanto, who is part of the Water Boys, who would work down in the docks of Cardiff Bay. And Yanto and the Water Boys are looking to contact their dead parents. So all of these characters have very strong wants and needs throughout the show, and it's all told against the backdrop of an industrial revolution which is happening in Tiger Bay.